Hello guys, welcome to another video from our channel Grobs Review and Unbox. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on this car audio receiver, okay, that I bought on Shopee website. Okay, so let's go. So here is the package itself. Okay, is a Bluetooth audio receiver for cars or another device. So you can see here a music receiver, hands-free, some instruction here in the back, some device here that you also can use. Okay, let's see what we have inside the box. So a very simple box. So okay, here is the receiver itself. Okay, so very light. I'm not sure for how long this will get, because it's really plastic. I don't know if it's very sturdy or robust enough to. Let's see. Okay, so here's the receiver. Probably this is the microphone here. We have the jack output here. Okay, and here is the micro USB port, probably to recharge the battery here. Okay, here we have the small cable. Okay, so the cable is plugged here, and then we can plug this device into a audio input, okay, in your radio for the car or another audio device. Okay, let's see if we have some battery on. Oh yeah, so now I believe we just need to connect the Bluetooth from your phone, right, to this audio receiver, and then start to listen to music. Okay, so this is a quick review for the unboxing of this product here. I will do a separate video testing this to see the quality of the product, the quality of the audio, and so on. Okay, so please hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and share this video with all your friends. Thank you.